Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the next part of word play, that is grow a sentence. Means every day we can add some more and means expand the sentence. Means grow a sentence. Okay, means you can expand the sentence with adding more related to this same sentence. Means there is a connectivity. There should be need a connectivity while expanding the sentence. Okay. Now see, grow a sentence means frame a meaningful sentence in English. It should be short and simple. Means for example here is given, yesterday I bought a storybook. Yesterday I bought a storybook. Means write down on a card. Means you have to write this on a, whatever you are writing, write on a one page or any one card. Next day try to expand the same sentence. Means next day you have to add something related to this first sentence. Now see first sentence how we are adding. Yesterday I bought a storybook. And next day what you add there? Written by Leo Tolstoy. Next day means second day you add there written by Leo Tolstoy. Then third day you add there, see, means expand the previous same sentence where expand. Means yesterday I bought a storybook written by Leo Tolstoy, who is a famous Russian writer. Means you can add there who is a famous Russian writer. Like this way expand the idea. If you know about that story, means if you read the story you can write more. Adding this means you can expanding this sentence by adding some more information related to first sentence. Okay, like this way you can expand the idea. Keep this up till you can. Means till whatever you can add there. Make sure there is connectivity and proper meaning to your final output. Means there should be a final output necessary or proper meaning. Confirm if your final sentence is appropriate from your teacher. Okay, means if it is means you have to confirm from your teacher if means that final sentence is appropriate or not. Okay. Then next, a proverb a day. A proverb a day means choose a proverb every day. Means everyone know proverb means related to means which that words, specific words gives the message, good message. These proverbs are there. Try to understand its meaning and implied meaning, if any. Means you have to, what is the meaning of this proverb? Okay, what is means what message we get through that proverb, that is very important. Write the proverb in a separate book and explain its meaning. Means you have to write some proverbs and write there, explain its meaning. Means what is the meaning of this proverb, that you have to write in a different font. For example, see here is given, a stitch in time saves 9. Means bad habits or weakness should be controlled or corrected in time before they become a habit. Means you have to, if there is any bad habit or weakness, you should be control it before they become a habit. It is the meaning of this proverb. Means like this way you can write the another proverbs. Means you have to make a good collection, at least 25 to 30 see 25 to 30 proverbs, 25 to 30 proverbs along with their meaning in simple word. And you may share and discuss with your teacher, parents and classmate. See, for example, means you can, if you are written there, health is wealth. Health is wealth. It is a proverb. Then what is the meaning of this? Good health is real treasure. Good health is real treasure. Then if there is honesty is the best policy. What is the meaning of this? To be honest is always beneficial. To be honest is always beneficial. Or if there is another proverb, charity begins at home, means one should start doing good things from oneself. One should start doing good things from oneself. Or if there is a bad workman blames his tool, means an inefficient person always grumble. An inefficient person always grumble. Or if there is a nature is the best physician, means most of alignment are cure based naturally. Okay, means like this way you can write your own proverb and write their meaning in your notebook. Okay, any 25 to 30 proverb you can write. Then last part of the wordplay, it is expression. Means using a similar pattern as for proverb, think of a situation and what expression comes means that spontaneously in spoken English. Means sometimes while speaking in English means we are using some expression. If there is sad moment, if there is a shock condition, if sadness, joy, okay, that time we use different expressional word there. For example, if there is a shock condition or sadness, expression is oh no. Okay. Then if there is a joyful condition, then we can use there wow or hooray or subab. Okay, like this way we can use. If there is a means sad condition, then we can use oh how sad, oh. Or if there is anyone death happen, then alas is dead. Okay, like this way we can use the expression. Okay. If there is relief, then we can use view, means thank God. Okay, like this expression we can use to means expression any situation, to express any situation. Okay, like this way our means that wordplay finished. You have to means write any means find these expressions and write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.